Hi everyone, my name is Emma Stroyan. I am originally from Bloomington, Illinois, but I came out here to Hays, Kansas on a basketball scholarship. I attended Fort Hays State University my last 2 years of college and then played basketball as well and graduated with my degree in biology. After graduation, I spent the summer in Florida and worked as a field biologist with sea turtles. So we got to monitor their populations on the beach, and it was a really positive, really cool experience. In addition to sports, I love being outdoors, swimming, hiking, hunting, fishing, you name it. I'm also a huge country music fan, and I just love spending time with my family and my friends. I ended up sticking around Hays because I just love the people and I love the community here. So now I am currently the biology and anatomy teacher at Thomas More Prep Marian High School here in Hays, Kansas. This will be my second year teaching, and I'm blessed to stay in the same school, teaching the same kind of classes. So this past year was a really positive first year despite all of the COVID stuff that happened. And I plan to stay there for as long as they'll have me, I guess. So in addition to teaching, I also am the junior class sponsor. I lead a few clubs, and I am the assistant girls basketball coach. As far as technology strengths and weaknesses are concerned, I would consider myself fairly technologically savvy. Especially with COVID, I was able to kind of pick up on a few things quickly and integrate technology more into my classroom. However, I don't know all of the technology that's available out there. I know none of us do. It just seems like I'm constantly trying to play catch up with the new stuff that's out there and trying to integrate that into my classroom. So I kind of hope to use this class as just another resource for future technology advancements and getting that into my classroom so my kids can use it and benefit them. So it's nice to meet you all, and I hope you have a wonderful semester and a wonderful rest of your school year. Thank you.